Guys, today I'm going to be making some rainbow flowy slime. So let's get started. So you guys have seen me do slime a lot of times, but I'll just show you anyway. This is the first video. And it's going to be jiggly, but I'm adding fluffy. Okay, so first of all you're going to need kids PVA glue. You'll need some shaving foam. Pretty good handy shaving foam. You're going to need a container or a bowl to do it in. I'm doing it in a container because I think it's just easier. A spoon. I'll leave that there in my hand. Some bicarbonate of soda. Leave that here. Some water, preferably one that you haven't drank out of. Some contact lens solution. And some rainbow flowies. And guys, ask your parents before you do this, because some things might react to your hands, so you don't want it to react to your hands. So let's just get started, really. So I'm not adding food dye to my slime, but yeah, you can do that if you want to. Somebody's really opened this glue, but okay. I'm using this whole entire glue pot because I have a gigantic glue, but I just don't want to use that. I just use my little tiny glue because I have 10 of these. I don't really care how much slime I have. Just I'm really excited to make this, because I've never made crunchy slime in my life, but yeah. This glue's taking ages to come out, guys. Guys, you know what? I'm not just going to wait this long. I'm not waiting this long. I'm just going to close the lid. It doesn't matter. So if you want to, you can add a little bit of water because this is quite thick glue. As you can see, it's quite thick. I'm just going to add a little bit of it. And if you want, you can use the container lid to put a spoon on, because that's what I find easier for me, but it might not be for you. So if you don't want to do it, then you don't want to do it. You don't have to do it. So I'm only adding a little bit of water, which, when I mean a little bit, I only need a little bit, guys, because, yeah, a little bit, very, very runny glue, then it'll make the bubbles go down a bit more, because, yeah. The next thing you want to add is your shaving foam. Did I mention this? Oh, yeah, I did. Shaving foam. Remind me if I keep doing this, it's because I got a cold, so sorry about that. Okay, that's enough shaving foam. Makes it smell super duper nice. Oh, the shaving foam makes it smell so nice. Electro air. And now it's like a thick mixture. Well, it's not too thick because if I didn't add the water, this mixture would be really thick. Just gonna stir it around. You don't want to add like too much shaving cream. Okay, so next you're going to get your bicarbonate of soda, and this has lasted me for like 2 years now, a year, because I don't really make slime as often. I added 3 pinches. You don't add too much. And you want it, if you're making flowy slime, I'll tell you. Oh, guys, I'll just tell you in a minute, wait, because we're not at the point yet. So what was my fingers? It's just bicarbonate of soda is so annoying because it always gets stuck to your fingers. Really? Now, just gonna mix that in. And I'm gonna add your all-in-one contact lens solution, which I got from, here you go, guys, because this is the right one. Yeah. I only added a few drips because that's what you want to do for the start. See, it's starting to come together, but you don't want to add no anymore. You're just going to keep mixing. I hope you guys enjoy this. Are enjoying this right now, because I know I am. Okay, it might be a little bit sticky still, but you're going to have to... You don't want it to over-activate, because then the flying beads won't go into the slime. So I'm just going to take that off the spoon. And I'm going to add my flame beads when it's like this sticky, because you don't want it to be like over-activated. I have my flame bead bag. If I can, or if I can't. I don't know how I feel like. So if you can hear my dad, he's chopping up something. Why are my hands so messy? I've only poked the slime here. Why me? Just why? But it's pretty well packaged now, you know. I like packaged things that are really good packaged. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I've literally never made culture slime in my life. Guys, this is what it looks like. Pretty fast around here. I thought they were going to be big flame balls, because that's what it looked like. But I didn't really care. I'm just so lucky. I'm just grateful that I've got this. You know? Rainbow Flammy. Creepy doll. This is a creepy doll. Rainbow Flammy. Rainbow Flammy. This is unicorn throw up slime. Thought it's gonna look better than this, but it doesn't really. Joking, guys. I didn't really expect it to look that good. The flame beads are pretty cool though. I don't want to overactivate it, literally. Don't think the glue mixed in really well this time. Hey, literally sticking. I really don't want to put any more contact solution in it. Because I'm not doing it. I'm just not putting any more contact solution in it. You know what I mean, guys? Yeah, you know what I mean? That's what my Ophelia says. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what? She's right, yeah. She doesn't come from Essex, so unfortunately. If she did. Funny if she did. She's like, you know what I mean? Whoa, guys. I've never been in the slime, and I'm never ruining this slime. Like, who would ruin a slime like this? Me, of course, because I'm an idiot. Joking, guys. I'm not going to ruin this. It's half jiggly, half fluffy, half crunchy. Don't really know. It smells so good because of the shaving foam. And in my slime, you can't smell the glue. For some reason, you can't smell the glue. Look, this is called cereal slime. I'm naming it to cereal slime. Okay, let's do slime as some art. What is it called? I never know how to pronounce it, do I? Oh, I need to do it on a flat surface. I don't know. I overactivated it, guys. Unfortunately, I overactivated it. Da 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 da. Guess what tune I'm whistling? Not whistling, humming. Hi Lana. Watching this video, then hi. These flame beads only came today, literally. This is called stick slime. I don't know. I'm ill. I just don't feel well, guys. Comment down below if you're ill. Because, like, you're probably not, because you're most likely not to be. So I'm like the most unfortunate person in the world. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm sick, it's because I've got asthma. So if you don't know what that is, ask your parents or your grandparents or your like, what's it called, foster parents what it is, and they'll probably tell you what it is. And in winter, that's when it gets really bad. If you have it, then just comment down below and tell me, guys. Because then you'll know what I mean. I don't want to really explain it right now. Yeah. I'm not really keen on fluffy slime, actually. Crunchy slime, sorry. Because it's not clicky at all. And it's a pretty good slime anyway. I'll quickly do a slime SMR. I'll get it in the container and quickly do it. I need to sort the container out first because, yeah, I just do. Slime SMR time. Hey guys, let's go. Sorry about the container though. You guys know that the container's messy. So I've just made slime in it. Ready guys to see the best slime ever. I mean the crunchiest slime ever, because like, duh. Guys, I really like this slime, to be honest. I think I added too much slime beads. But yeah, I've got like the half a pack left. Yeah. Got like half a pack left, but that's good. See? No. It's a small packet, literally. I'm so sorry about that, guys. You're like, what's happened to the slime? I don't know. It's happening now. My slime's rubbish. It's probably the worst slime I've ever made. Sorry about that. This is what it looks like. Listen to my heartbeat, baby. Okay, let's go have a look. It's tinted pink. Well, that was just on the light. It just looks like it, doesn't it? You can see close up, ready? The balls in it. If it'll focus. Oh, it's not focusing. Sorry about that, guys. My camera, I cannot be patient with my camera here. It does not focus on me. My camera hates me. Okay guys, this video is getting a bit longer. So please click like and subscribe and comment down below if you want more slime videos. Bye, love you guys.